What principle dictates the limitation of data collection to only what is necessary for the intended purpose? A. Data proliferation. B. Data minimization. C. Data expansion. D. Data maximization. Correct answer, B. Data minimization. Explanation: data minimization is a privacy principle that ensures data collection is limited to what is directly necessary and relevant for specified purposes. Which entity is primarily responsible for enforcing privacy policies within an organization? A. Data Protection Officer. B. Chief Technology Officer. C. Human Resources. D. Chief Operations Officer. Correct answer, A. Data Protection Officer. Explanation: the Data Protection Officer, DPO, is tasked with overseeing data protection strategy and implementation to ensure compliance with privacy laws. In privacy incident management, what is the purpose of containment measures? A. To analyze the cause of the incident. B. To limit the scope and impact of the breach. C. To communicate with stakeholders. D. To review the effectiveness of the response. Correct answer, B. To limit the scope and impact of the breach. Explanation: containment measures are critical to limiting the spread and impact of a breach once it is detected. Which of the following is not a standard component of a privacy incident response plan? A. Lessons learned. B. Employee termination procedures. C. Risk assessment. D. Containment strategies. Correct answer, B. Employee termination procedures. Explanation: employee termination procedures are not a standard part of a privacy incident response plan, which typically focuses on immediate response actions and mitigation strategies. What is the primary goal of conducting a risk assessment immediately after a privacy incident is detected? A. To fulfill legal requirements. B. To determine the scope and impact of the incident. C. To prepare for media communication. D. To assess the performance of the IT department. Correct answer, B. To determine the scope and impact of the incident. Explanation: immediate risk assessments help understand the breadth and depth of a privacy incident, informing the response strategy. What does mandatory reporting in the context of privacy incidents require? A. Internal reporting to management, only. B. Reporting to affected individuals and regulatory authorities. C. Reporting exclusively to data protection officers. D. Random audits and assessments. Correct answer, B. Reporting to affected individuals and regulatory authorities. Explanation: mandatory reporting typically requires notifying both the authorities and the individuals affected by a privacy breach within a prescribed time frame. Which of the following best describes the role of incident oversight teams? A. Development of privacy policies. B. Monitoring day-to-day data management. C. Overseeing the response to privacy incidents. D. Implementing IT security measures. Correct answer, C. Overseeing the response to privacy incidents. Explanation: incident oversight teams are responsible for managing and coordinating the organization's response to privacy incidents. What aspect of privacy management does data integrity ensure? A. Data is securely encrypted. B. Data is relevant and processed lawfully. C. Data is accurate and kept up to date. Data is minimized at collection. Correct answer, C. Data is accurate and kept up to date. Explanation: managing data integrity involves maintaining the accuracy and completeness of stored data. Under what circumstances must a privacy incident be defined within an organization? A. When a data breach occurs. B. When new privacy laws are enacted. C. Before an incident occurs. D. When data subjects request information. Correct answer, C. Before an incident occurs. Explanation: defining what constitutes a privacy incident within an organization should occur as part of proactive incident response planning before any actual incidents occur. Which of the following is not directly involved in the detection of privacy incidents? A. Legal department. B. Information technology. C. Physical security. D. Marketing department. Correct answer, D. Marketing department. Explanation: while the marketing department may handle data, it is not typically involved in the technical detection of privacy incidents, which is usually managed by IT and security teams. Why is business continuity planning integrated with privacy incident response plans? A. To ensure compliance with international standards. B. To enhance the effectiveness of marketing strategies. C. To maintain operational functionality during crises. D. To streamline HR processes. Correct answer, C. To maintain operational functionality during crises. Explanation. Integrating business continuity planning with incident response ensures that essential business functions continue during and after a privacy incident. What is the primary reason for developing a communications plan during incident handling? A. To promote new privacy policies. B. To ensure clear and compliant communication with all stakeholders. C. To train employees on privacy practices. D. To document the incident for legal purposes. Correct answer, B. To ensure clear and compliant communication with all stakeholders. Explanation. A communications plan is crucial for managing the message during a crisis, ensuring that all communications are timely, clear, and compliant with legal standards. Which of the following best describes the lessons learned stage in incident response? A. A preemptive assessment performed before an incident. B. A disciplinary stage for data handlers. C. An evaluative stage following an incident to improve future responses. D. A legal requirement imposed by data protection authorities. Correct answer, C. An evaluative stage following an incident to improve future responses. Explanation. The lessons learned stage involves analyzing the incident and response to identify what went well and what could be improved for future incidents. What is the objective of implementing incident reduction techniques? A. To increase data collection. B. To reduce the frequency and impact of privacy incidents. C. To comply with marketing regulations. D. To enhance employee benefits. Correct answer, B. To reduce the frequency and impact of privacy incidents. Explanation. Incident reduction techniques, such as regular training and robust security measures, are implemented to decrease both the likelihood and the severity of privacy incidents. How are incident metrics utilized in privacy management? A. To determine employee bonuses. B. To quantify the costs associated with privacy incidents and justify security investments. C. To track marketing performance. To schedule IT maintenance. Correct answer, B. To quantify the costs associated with privacy incidents and justify security investments. Explanation. Incident metrics help organizations understand the financial and reputational impacts of privacy incidents, supporting strategic decisions about investments in security and privacy enhancements. What does the legislative branch of the U.S. government do in the context of privacy? A. Enforces privacy laws. B. Interprets privacy laws. C. Enacts laws impacting privacy. D. Regulates privacy standards. Correct answer, C. Enacts laws impacting privacy. Explanation. The legislative branch enacts laws, including those that impact privacy, setting the legal framework that organizations must comply with. Which role is responsible for coordinating the organization's detection capabilities for privacy incidents? A. Chief Financial Officer. B. Privacy Officer. C. Chief Executive Officer. D. Marketing Manager. Correct answer, B. Privacy Officer. Explanation. The Privacy Officer coordinates various functions and departments to enhance the organization's detection capabilities for privacy incidents. What is the primary purpose of conducting a post-incident review? A. To fulfill a regulatory requirement. B. To evaluate the incident response and improve future protocols. C. To provide a basis for terminating employees. D. To initiate a new marketing strategy. Correct answer, B. To evaluate the incident response and improve future protocols. Explanation. Post-incident reviews are critical for evaluating how the incident was handled and for identifying improvements in procedures and protocols. Which of the following is not a typical element of a privacy incident response plan? A. Financial compensation strategies. B. Risk assessment procedures. C. Identification of the breach. D. Recovery steps. Correct answer, A. Financial compensation strategies. Explanation. Financial compensation strategies are typically handled by separate legal and financial teams and are not standard elements of a privacy incident response plan. In the context of mandatory reporting, what is the typical time frame for notifying affected parties after discovering a data breach? A. Within 72 hours. B. Within 1 week. C. Within 24 hours. D. Within 1 month. Correct answer, A. Within 72 hours. Explanation. Most privacy regulations, such as the GDPR, require that data breaches be reported to regulatory authorities and affected individuals within 72 hours of discovery.